Hey guys, Bryson with Trick Tools here, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about our storage solutions for your TIG welding material. So what we have here is our rod guards from ArcZone, and these are pretty cool because you can get them in a variety of different colors, so you can color coordinate based on what type of rod you want to store inside of them. That way you can just easily reference, you can remember what rod you have in what color rod guard. And there's also a sticker right here on the cap that you can mark, so you can be able to easily reference what size rod you have inside of the rod guard. So they easily screw off here. You have 3 different storage sections here to be able to divide up if you want to store in here different sizes of rod, and have it all split up to where you could even put, you know, if you wanted to mix, you know, like a ER70 S2 rod with an aluminum rod, something like that, you can also do that by easily dividing it and not getting them mixed up inside the rod guard. So we have these nice little racks that you can use to mount anywhere in your shop to be able to store these nicely to where you can easily access them, whether it's on your welding table, somewhere on the wall, somewhere close to where you're welding. That way you can keep them right near you. So I've just got this clamped to the table to show how it would look, but there's 4 mounting holes in here. You can easily attach it however you want there. So like I said, you get the different color assortment here, so you can get those coordinated however you like for the materials and the rod that you want to put inside of them. So next we have the ArcSaber tungsten storage. So these here will hold a full length of tungsten and up to 19 of 1/8 inch size tungsten rod. So obviously you can hold quite a bit in here, and as you go down in size you can hold even more. So there's the tall full length ones that have the caps that are easily removed. There's a little sticker here on the front that shows you the angle of your how you have your tungsten sharpened, so that way you can have a quick reference when you're sharpening your tungsten. If you're wanting to go for a certain angle, you can quickly reference that and kind of compare to how you're sharpening your tungsten. We have the shorter stubby ArcSaber that allows you to, if you have your shorter tungsten, to be able you know, be using a shorter cap and cup on your TIG welder. You can still store those without having to slide them all the way down in one of the longer ArcSabers. So use these here in the shop. Keeps your tungsten stored out of the elements. So it's got a rubber O-ring seal on here, and there's a little wood stick inside of here that helps absorb any moisture that may get inside of the ArcSaber. It's going to keep your tungsten nice and clean and free from any impurities when you store it in something like this. So check out our solutions here for storing your different tungsten and TIG rod in your shop. Visit our website, Trick-Tools.com, for more information. Give us a call and we can help you out. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.